My name is Jill, the in-flight lead, and it is my pleasure to welcome you all on board today. A special welcome to those of you returning from our Executive Club and those of you joining from our One World Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. It must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking, including e-cigarettes, vaping and the use of other smoking devices, is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This includes the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. Our BA Wi-Fi is available on today's flight. To connect to the network, visit shop.ba.com to discover the offers available. To keep up to date with the latest travel trends, to find an original guide to your destination, or tips on how to make the most of your time in the sky, read the digital version of High Life magazine for free via the .air Wi-Fi login screen on your personal electronic device. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers. Video and phone calls are also not permitted at any time during the flight. In-seat power is available within your seat area and will be ready for use once the seatbelt signs are switched off. We're about to start our onboard service. If you have a food allergy or would like information on specific allergens on today's flight, please contact any member of the crew. For those of you seated in our Club Europe, we will be offering your choice of meal and drinks from the bar. In Eurotraveller, we will be serving pre-purchased items from our High Life Cafe. To follow, we will be offering you a complimentary bottle of water and a snack. This will then be followed by our High Life Cafe service. If you would like to purchase from a selection of High Life Cafe items on today's flight, please connect to the BA Wi-Fi and visit shop.ba.com to discover the items available, or refer to the menu card in your seat pockets. We invite you now to make yourself at home and enjoy our hospitality. If there's anything that my team or I can do to make your journey more comfortable, please let us know. Thank you.